The leaves of brown came tumbling down, remember.
Louis Hoover, co-creator and star of the smash hit show The Rat Pack.
Ladies and gentlemen, from here on in, it's pure Sinatra.
She gets hungry for dinner at 8, loves the theater, doesn't come late. She'd never bother with anyone she'd hate. That's why the lady, she's a tramp. You've either got or you haven't got style.
If you've got it, it stands out a mile.
A flower's not a flower if it's wilted.
A hat's not a hat till it's tilted.
Everybody's loved that buddy sometime. Why don't you fill my heart with song? Let me swing forevermore, because you are all I long for, all I worship and adore. These are little town blues.
Frank Sinatra, ladies and gentlemen.
Are melting away. I am about to make a brand new start of it in old New York. Oh, you haven't got style.
Louis Hoover, the Rat Pack's original Frank Sinatra.
Night and day, you are the one. Only you, 'neath the moon or under the sun.
When I was 15 and I was at home playing my records, I found a box set called the Sinatra Touch, and I thought, what's this guy doing making records? Because I thought he was an actor.
I think of you day and night, night and day.
I knew that I could hear his timing before he even sang it himself. So I thought, I can hear what he's going to do before he does it.
Follows wherever I go.
For my album, And This Is Me, we reconvened the entire Sinatra orchestra, which hadn't been together since Sinatra played Europe. And of course we used the same guys in the Rat Pack and in my solo show as well.
Day and night, night and day, under the height of me, there's an oh such a hungry yearning burning.
I've actually stopped years and years ago trying to sound like him, and now I can't tell the difference.
More, much more than this, I did it my way.
And This Is Me is Louis Hoover's second album featuring Frank Sinatra's original musicians. Many of the songs were written by Louis Hoover. ABC of Love is one of them.
May I express with tenderness the ABC of love? Is it to be or not to be the things we're dreaming of? Just disarm that beautiful charm, throw caution to the winds.
Louis Hoover first hit the music scene as lead singer with Wall Street Crash. His debut solo album took the jazz scene by storm. Louis Hoover plays jazz festivals the world over.
Beware of that wolf round midnight howling round your door. When we go riding in the moonlight, you know what moonlight's for. Without regret, you won't forget the ABC of love.
Tony Bennett, he's the only living live legend left. Frank, Tony, they all said they did it my way, but I think the new breed, they have to do it their way. And It's a tough challenge, but they're going to have to do it better.